Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Plantlush, Plant ID and Care app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Plantlush is a plant identification and care assistant app designed to help users accurately recognize plant species and maintain their health. It allows you to identify plants by taking a photo, providing instant results along with care instructions. The app includes watering reminders, sunlight and soil guidance, pest alerts, and detailed plant profiles. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports a wide range of indoor and outdoor plant species. The app's main feature is its photo-based plant identification. You capture an image, and Plantlush quickly analyzes it to determine the species and give you care details. It also helps track the health of your plants, set custom reminders, and monitor common issues. Additional tools include a plant care calendar, a library of plant information, and personalized recommendations based on your collection. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its fast and accurate plant identification results, clear care instructions, and convenient reminder system. Beginners find it helpful for learning how to maintain houseplants properly, and experienced plant owners like the quick diagnosis features for spotting potential problems. However, there are some drawbacks. Most advanced features, including unlimited plant identification and detailed diagnostics, may require a subscription. A few users mention occasional misidentifications with rare species or unclear photos. The accuracy also depends heavily on lighting and image quality, and offline functionality is limited. In summary, the Plantlush app may be worth using if you want quick plant identification, personalized care tips, and helpful reminders to keep your indoor or outdoor plants healthy. However, if you prefer manual plant research or don't want to subscribe for full features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.